Let's talk quickly about high concept. What does that mean? Well, you will generally get a different meaning or a different definition from the number of different people that you ask the question to. Everybody has a different definition of high concept. It's one of those things where it's like I know it when I see it type of thing. If you were asking me what high concept means, on one hand, you have your story concept, and on the other hand, you have the plot or the narrative of the story, right? You have the concept, you have the narrative, two different things. Well, in high concept, they're joined as one, right? They're inseparable. So if it's a high concept project, and someone says, "Well, tell me the concept," and you tell them mosquito blood, preserved mosquito blood to get DNA from dinosaurs and bring dinosaurs back to life. That's kind of the concept. But by telling you that, you also, in your mind, can picture what the story is. Dinosaurs, real dinosaurs come to life, and you know where that story's going. So by telling the concept, you're also telling the story. It goes the other way too. So if you tell somebody a high concept, but you tell them the narrative, like the story part of it, then the concept is also baked in. For instance, look at the movie Groundhog Day. If we explain the concept where a man lives the same day over and over until he gets it right, then we automatically explain the basic story as well. Concept and story are stuck together like strands of DNA where we can't take one without the other. And that's what makes something high concept, in my opinion. When your concept and your narrative are inextricably intertwined together, that's what makes it high concept, as opposed to stories where it could be a love story where two people fall in love, blah, 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 blah. But it could be in space, it could be the Old West, it could be in an office building. You know, the concept and the narrative are not intertwined like that. It's not high concept. That's what, to me, that's what high concept is, when they're locked together, like Jaws. You know, that's pretty high concept. High concept doesn't necessarily mean a better story. It just means the concept is the story and vice versa. Well, that's it for this one. Please subscribe for free over on Substack at storyray.com. And I'll see you in the next one.